All right, guys, chapter 4, started something new here. We're going to be listening and following along and using our notes and a couple of online tools. This is chapter 4, The Rise of Sumerian City-States. So when you think Sumerian, think American. Sumerian, American, we're from America. Sumerians are from where? Sumer, very good. And how they rose to be city-states. So we know from the last chapter, we have communities starting to be developed because of a stable food supply. We have trade, jobs. So people are growing. Humankind is growing. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start out with some notes. And if you look right here, The Rise of Sumerian City-States, we have the chapter title at the top of the screen. And then I want you to look at this question right here. How did geographic challenges lead to the rise of city-states in Mesopotamia? Now, what I did is I wrote a definition up here for you. Geography is the features and location on Earth. So the features on Earth, that would be mountains, valleys, rivers, oceans, things like that, and where you're located on the Earth. And how did that lead to the rise of the city-state? So geography played a big role. So first thing I want you to do is I want you to have your note packet in front of you, and I want you to be right on the front of it and looking at the preview section. And I'm going to read the question right here, or the directions, and at the end of the video, you are just going to fill in your note sheet and move on to the next video. So it says, think of a recent problem or challenge that you faced. So some kind of issue that you had. Let's not make it too personal. And what you did to solve it. So in the problem box right here, I wrote challenge. So this right here is called a flow chart, meaning this leads to this. This problem leads to this solution. And I want you to draw a problem. It says right here, draw a simple illustration of the problem or the challenge. Also in that box, I want you to write a one-sentence summary of that problem. So here's what I'm going to do for you in this video. I am going to highlight, because this is important, you need to write a one-sentence summary of that problem along with your picture. And then in the solution box over here, you're going to draw a simple illustration. Again, guys, keep this simple, to show how you solve that problem. And again, you're going to have to write a one-sentence summary describing how you solved your problem. All right, so go ahead and do that, and then once you're done, go move on to the next picture, and we can rock and roll. Next video.